Makers Meetup just ended and we finally attached the prototype of the trash collecting box to the drone case. It wasn't easy to do and required some creative ideas about attachment solutions and some DIY skills. A lot of drilling, screwing and zip ties. It was also first Makers Meetup when we had more Thai members than expats. That's a great news because our goal is to have a sustainable community and the foundation are Thai makers. And for the first time, Memo, a student who is capable of building robots, developing in Java and Solidity, he is also a student of our regular member Tanabadi. And it's always good to see Jeff and Simon and watch how they come up with great ideas to build mechanic parts. And surprisingly, our cafe's owner, Gift, discovered an engineering talent. So we had two small teams working in parallel. One team was working on mechanical parts to attach the trash box, and smaller team was working on electronics, which we will use with Arduino Pilot to control our drone. For the next meeting, we need to improve the design of the trash collecting box, and a lot of work with electronics has to be done. We need to program ESC and test motors with a Pixhawk controller. And that's why I will see you on Makers Meetup next Wednesday at 7 p.m.